India's designer Manish Malhotra once again expressed his love for all things ethnic and India as he turned Varanasi's Namo Ghat into a regal runway. The designer exhibited his wonderful collection at the two-day event organized by the Indian Minorities Foundation, where actors Ranveer Singh and Kriti Sanon turned showstoppers. The theme of the show was Benarasi Saree, a tapestry of Indian culture and craftsmen. And the pictures and videos from the event have already gone viral, where Ranveer and Kriti were seen strutting the runway donning traditional attires. Kriti's attire looked regal. It was something we have never seen her sporting before. She wore a modest red lehenga set that came with long sleeves, waist-length hem, broad gold embroidered borders and gold brocade embroidery done in rose patterns all over the base. The lehenga featured an A-line silhouette, layered ghera and broad bronze gold borders that she paired with the tissue silk dupatta. Now, the accessories are what we love the most. The white gajra adorned kaliras, gold bangles, big mang tika, matching earrings and the red bindi just looked amazing with the whole attire. Ranveer too passed the vibe check in traditionals as he walked the runway in a deep plum coloured silk kurta, dhoti and bandkala jacket. He finished the look with a rugged beard and his signature backswept hairdo. He, of course, made the runway his stage and enthralled and regaled everyone like he always does. Now let's look at the rest of the collection. Manish Malhotra's collection aimed to bring together modern Indian fashion and tradition, highlighting the historic heritage of Kashi and bringing the handicrafts of Kashi to every corner of the world. We must say he did a splendid job. What do you think of Manish Malhotra's collections and Ranveer Kriti as showstoppers? Share your views in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for more from the fashion world.